Well, hello, my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures with Zelda. Say hi, Zelda.
Say hi.
Well, maybe she's not. Oh, now you want to say hi. Hi. Well, today we're going to make pizza. Do you like pizza, Zelda? She does. So we're going to make our thin crust pizza today. So let's go to the kitchen. So on the previous video, I showed you how to make the thin crust pizza dough, and I'll put a link for that here so that you can look that up. And now I'm going to show you how to cook it. So after you've had it in your refrigerator for 24 hours, it's going to look something like this. Ooh, that one even burped a little bit in here. Let's get that out, because what you want to do is you want to put this on your countertop and let it get to room temperature, so for about 30 minutes. And at the same time, you're going to want to turn your oven up to 500 degrees. And pizza stone is the best way to do this. So you put your pizza stone down at the bottom and heat this thing up to 500 degrees. So we'll see you back here in 30 minutes. All right, so we got our oven heated up to 500 degrees. The stone is hot. I got a piece of parchment paper out here. And we are going to spread out our pizza dough. So, like I said, if you watch the video, we put this in some olive oil. So there's olive oil in the bottom. So all we're going to do is peel this out of here. And we're going to get the rest of this oil out as well. And we're going to spread the oil out on the parchment paper. Flip this over with the olive oil side down. And now, I'm just going to pat it out. We're going to make about a 12-inch pizza, I guess. So I just turn the paper as I'm spreading it out. And just watch so you don't get it too thin. And we got Despicable Me playing in the background for the young lady. She's getting kind of hungry. Now there's two ways you can do this once you get the dough spread out. You can put your toppings on it and put it right on the stone. I've been making pizza like this for a little while now, and what I've found that I like better than that is to throw it in the oven for about 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. It tends to make it a little bit crispier crust, but depending on your toppings, how many toppings you put on it, since it's a thin crust and it's so hot, you don't have to cook it for too long. About 6 to 8 minutes is really all it takes. When I do the crust alone and then put the toppings on it, I usually do about 8 minutes. So there you have that. The only thing that I would recommend is that you cut the parchment paper around here. It just prevents it from burning around the edges. Usually when you have corners, the parchment paper kind of gets a little bit burnt. But that's just a extra step if you like. A little bit of burnt parchment paper is not going to hurt anything. So we're going to throw this in for 2 minutes and then take it out, and then we'll put our toppings on it. So I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out after a couple minutes. It's 2 minutes in the oven. It's already gotten a little bit of texture to it. You can see it's not sticking to the parchment paper. We are going to make a barbecue chicken pizza here today. So we're going to put some barbecue sauce, some grilled chicken, red onion, fresh cilantro, and some shredded smoked Gouda cheese. So I'll show you what this looks like before it goes in and after it comes out. It's looking pretty nice. What I like to do to put this in the oven is I don't have a pizza peel, and a lot of people maybe don't have one. So I just put a cookie sheet upside down on the edge of the counter. I slide this right onto there. And then with that, I can just put that next to the stone and slide it onto the stone. And then when it's done, you can just grab the edge of that and slide it back onto here. So it works kind of like a pizza peel. So I'll show it to you when it comes out of the oven. I'm gonna put this in for 6 minutes. I don't know when it started.
It's rolling.
It's rolling? Is it on?
It's on.
Well, you didn't tell me.
I said it was
I'm
rolling.
not used to having a camera person here. So we cooked it for 6 minutes. Here's how you use this thing here. I'm living dangerously. I just grabbed the edge of the parchment paper. Is my camera person any good? I don't know. I've never done this camera person thing before. Here's our barbecue chicken pizza on a thin crust. We'll cut some pieces up here and see how the family enjoys it. Zelda, do you want a pizza? Well, I don't know if that look means that she does or she doesn't want a pizza. What do you want? Pizza? Oh, a banana. That's not pizza at all. Well, the rest of the family seems to be enjoying the pizza here. They left me a couple pieces here. I'm gonna make another one and we're gonna eat that all up. But now you know how to bake the thin crust pizza. So thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios. I like how easy these are to make. Now you got a stone, you have no reason not to make them.
Yeah, we gotta make them every other day.
You're